Join me for a quick demo of unpacking and assembling our 60-inch tall portable sign pole. When you insert these all-thread pieces, tighten just enough for the red thread locking substance to go one turn into the threaded inserts. Add the coupler. Note that I see some red on the exposed side. Attach the second tube. Twist the tubes together. I find this easier when they're laid on a flat surface like a tabletop. Turn both tubes when tightening and turn them both in opposite directions. Don't worry about aligning the lowest tube hole at this point. It's only for very large signs, and very few users have signs large enough to need it. Add the bolt that keeps the sign from rotating in the base. You can add water or sand to our base to make it heavier. Add the top finial. Bolt on the sign using our stabilizer plates that prevent the sign from rocking in the wind. Our portable pole has wheels for easy transportation. Perfect for temporary use or permanent use signs, for parking signs or directional signage, and more.